Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera, so let's tap on it, and since we are in the standard photo mode we can take a look at this option bar. On the second position from the right we've got the timer option, and you can say that right now it is set 0 seconds, so it means that it is turned off, but after tapping on it we can switch to 3 seconds delay, let me tap on it again, 5 seconds delay, 10 seconds delay, 15 seconds delay, and finally we can turn it off again. So let me pick for example 10 seconds delay, and since you can see the 10 seconds option you can tap on the shutter button, and as you can see from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, it just took a photo, we heard that characteristic click, so we can check another option. So let me pick for example shorter one, maybe 3 seconds. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. So of course you can turn it off just by going to the 0 seconds, and okay. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set the camera timer in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.